Hey guys, so today we are studying economics. What is economics? The study of how individuals and societies choose to use the scarce resources that nature and previous generations have provided. Here's the thing, we all have limited resources, all right? And economics, in simple words, is that you learn how society, how people uses their limited resources. Okay, a very simple example of that is you have an income, right? A monthly income, and then you decide where you have to spend it, how you are going to spend it. You can't just go, oh my god, let's buy an island, or oh my god, let's have a mansion now. I can't live in it, I can't afford it, I might have to work, 24/7, but mansion is worth it, right? No, you look at the pros and cons. You look at what's worth what should I go for, and what should I not go for. This is what's economics. In this, you study how we should use our limited resources. But in this, we are not talking about just a household. In microeconomics, we do talk about just a household. Sorry. But yeah, overall, we are studying our natural resources, land, and all these stuff as well. Things that we already have. But obviously, they cannot fulfill in any way everyone's wishes. So, how should we utilize them? They are limited, but we have to make sure everyone gets their basic necessities and stuff like that. We will study more concepts in future, but this is what economics is. So anyone asks you, hey, what is economics? You have studied business. You go, it is all about how we use our limited or scarce resources. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.